Hello everybody, Ben here from Nova Music Center, and today we're checking out the Johnson JH100. They make this in a few different colors, but this one is their three-tone sunburst color. As soon as we pulled this one out of the box when we got it at the store, it was just really cool looking instrument, really unique. It's really cool. So we're going to just dive into it a little bit. I'll go through it clean tone, go to a dirty tone so you can hear what that all sounds like. So we'll start down in the bridge position and work our way up to the neck. Middle position. And up in the neck position. Here it is with some dirt on it, and we're starting down in the bridge position. Middle position. And the neck position. Now, due to it being a hollow body guitar, of course, if you jack up the gain a lot and you're right in front of your amp, you're gonna hear some serious feedback, but it does have a cool high gain sound. So here's what that sounds like. Middle position. And then the neck position. So there you guys go, just a straightforward sound demo. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today and checking it out. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, share it if you want to. And if you're ever in our area, come check us out in Old Town Manassas in the state of Virginia. Have a good one.